RYOBI 80-volt HP Brushless ZR3 42-inch electric zero-turn riding mower upgrade kit installation guide. Tools needed are a 13mm socket wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. This kit includes an installation guide, adjustable seat suspension, seat pan, adjustable armrests, drive lever height adapters, seat bumpers, LED headlight, an assembly tool and hardware. Removing the seat assembly. Move the mower to a level surface, then ensure the drive levers are in the open or neutral position and the blade engage knob is down. Turn off the mower, remove the start key and set the parking brake. Tilt the seat forward, disconnect the safety interlock cable, and remove it from the clip holding the cable to the seat pan. Open the battery cover and disconnect the battery quick connect plugs. Remove the 4 nuts from the seat mounting brackets. Remove the seat assembly and set everything aside. Replacing the seat pan. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws on the front of the existing seat pan and set aside. Disconnect the tether, then remove the seat pan. To install the new seat pan, align the hooks on each side of the seat pan with the bolts on the mower. Reattach the tether. Attach the seat interlock cable to the clip and feed the end through the hole in the seat pan. Lower the seat pan and install the Phillips head screws on the front of the new seat pan. Installing the seat suspension assembly. Remove the caps on the rear springs. Remove the springs using the provided assembly tool. Screw the rubber bumpers into the holes where the rear springs were located, then hand tighten. Align the seat suspension assembly holes with the holes on the seat pan and hand thread the hex head bolts through the holes. Once the bolts are hand tightened, ensure the seat pan tether is attached and carefully tilt the seat up to securely tighten the bolts. Tilt the seat suspension assembly flat, place the seat assembly over the mounting brackets, and align the holes. Hand tighten the nuts. Carefully lift the seat suspension assembly and tilt seat forward. Then securely tighten the nuts. Connect the safety interlock cable on the seat with the plug on the mower as shown, and lower the seat. Installing the armrests. Remove the 2 hex head bolts on one side of the seat back bracket and set aside. Align the holes in the armrest with the holes in the seat bracket. Reinstall the 2 hex head bolts and tighten securely. Repeat with the other side. Installing the headlight. Remove the cap to the headlight connector. Align the holes on the light bar with the holes on the underside of the foot pan on the front of the mower. Hand thread the hex head bolts through the holes, then tighten securely. Plug the headlight into the connector. Installing the drive lever height adapters. Remove the nuts from the carriage bolts on the drive lever mounting bracket and set aside. Remove the cap from the drive lever mounting bracket. Slide the height adapter into the drive control mounting bracket. Align the holes on the drive lever with the holes on the drive lever height adapter. Reinstall the carriage bolts. Install a 3rd bolt in the bottom hole as shown and tighten securely. Repeat to install the 2nd drive lever, making sure to use the same holes for mounting on each side. Test the safety interlock system. To test the safety interlock system, position the mower on a level surface. Confirm the parking brake is engaged. Make sure the drive levers are in the open or neutral position, and the blade engage knob is down. Insert the start key and turn to the on position. Raise blade engage knob to activate blades. Briefly lift off the seat, but do not get off the mower. The blades should shut off within 5 seconds. If they don't, turn the mower off, remove the start key, and verify the safety interlock cable is connected. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.